Listen carefully. What do you hear? Was that a bird? Perhaps a seagull? Okay, listen closer now. The background noise. That rhythmic sound of water gently caressing the sea sand with its cool touch. Now imagine you're actually there, sitting in the hot sand, digging your toes in deep. The sun is warm and comforting as you sit with your eyes closed. There's a gentle breeze that is playing Twist the Strand with your hair. Don't wait. Phone us today to book your holiday accommodation with us. Palm Beach Chalets, South Coast, KwaZulu-Natal.